Hey everybody, this is M Peoples. This is about Kellyanne Conway, Trump's advisor. She is being mocked for spy microwaves claims. I mean, really? Trump, if you're watching this, at least get somebody smarter than this. Oh God. I mean, I can understand phones being used for surveillance, which I don't think Obama has any reason to spy on you. Television sets? Maybe. I said maybe. Maybe that's possible, maybe it isn't. But microwaves? Are you kidding me? My siblings who are kind of dense are smarter than this. My relatives who are not the brightest are smarter than this. Oh, my people, my people. It's kind of ironic that, one, America just voted for the one person who's good at being a businessman than he is a president. And a lot of people voted against their best interests. And Miss Conway, if you're gonna sit on a couch in the White House, at least act like it's an important event. Act like you're not at your best friend's house. Sitting on your knees on a couch in the White House with so many VIPs. Sorry. Oh God. Oh, well, goes to show you that being an advisor for Trump, you don't need to have brains. And Trump, why would Obama want to wiretap you? I just think he's trying to start stuff. And Aaron Schatz saying, shout out to Aaron Schatz at Faux Schatz. I just pressed the popcorn setting on my microwave and it showed me a secret spy video of Kellyanne Conway eating lunch. This is from Twitter. Shout out to Aaron Schatz. Really, lady, really? Oh, God. People, next election, we have to do better. And good help is so hard to find. Jesus Christ. Anyway, this is M Peoples. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Damn. We fucked up. I'm out of here, and it's 7:28 p.m. Just done showering and washing my hair. Deuces.